power, its voice commanding the attention of the skies, which with each rhythmic strike, the air trembles, carrying messages of urgency, celebration and honor, echoing the past, anchoring the present. The sacred beating of the log drum, known as the Kamai, signals the dawn of a new season, a prayer for the earth's bounty. It is the heartbeat of the village, summoning blessings from the spirit, whispering invocations of prosperity, health, and protection. The drum's call transcends time, reaching the divine realm, ensuring the prayers of the people are heard. And so, as we stand in joyous rhythm, may the Almighty grace us with the harvest, rich and plentiful. May the drum's reverberation shatter discord, weaving peace into the fabric of our land. Let the sound rise high, let it be heard across mountains and rivers, and may the land of Ang be forever blessed with unity, abundance, and harmony.